Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for Thursday, May 21st, Tiger Talk. Just again, this is just a daily video recording that'll just kind of have an update for all the happenings and events that are going to be taking place here at the high school as we're concluding a school year. There are still some things that are going on. I want to keep everybody on the same page of the events that are taking place. So today is again Thursday, May 21st. We are having our grad parade this evening. I'd just like to remind all students out there that we will be meeting here at the high school at 5:30 to line up. There are stations for each elementary school, for each student to park in according to which elementary school that you attended when you were an elementary school student. So please be sure that you park in those areas. We'll be out there to help you with that. The parade will start at 6 o'clock, so we'd like to encourage all community members to line up along the routes that have been sent out on Facebook and Twitter and on our Notify Me. We will be going, leaving here at the high school, going down US 60 toward Hardinsburg. We'll go through Hardinsburg at the intersection of 259 and old US 60. St. Romeo students will first veer off and follow their police escort to St. Romeo Elementary School. We'll then proceed on down 259 toward John Deere and then take a left onto the bypass at Tools Creek Road. Another police officer will take the Hardinsburg Elementary School parade to the new Hardinsburg Elementary School. At that time, the Ben Johnson, Custer, and Irvington parades will continue on down US 60, and Ben Johnson will take 259 South, follow their police escort to Ben Johnson Elementary. Custer and Irvington will continue on down US 60, and Custer will take Highway 86 and follow their police escort to Custer Elementary School. And then our Irvington parade will continue on down US 60. They will then follow their police escort through the city of Irvington and then loop back around and end up at Irvington Elementary School. So we look forward to a fun evening this afternoon. So please come out and support our class of 2020. Then we will be showing our BCHS virtual graduation tomorrow night. This is video clips from last Friday when we had our in-person graduation. We will show that again tomorrow night at 7 o'clock on our Breck Live channel. Report cards will be mailed out tomorrow. For any information for all parents out there that might be checking Parent Portal. Our Parent Portal is shut down at the moment, so the averages that you're seeing on there are not accurate. So those calculations have stopped once we had to shut this down to put grades in. But report cards will be mailed out tomorrow. If you do have any questions or concerns, please call us at the high school next week. There will also be some information about getting schedule changes. You will have your schedule for the 2021 school year in there with your report card. If you want some schedule changes, there's some information on that sheet that'll tell you about the summer. We will meet students at Irvington, Custer, and Ben Johnson, and also here at the high school to help out for anybody that needs help on that. Also, the information about summer school. I've had some questions about some summer school opportunities. I know we've maybe have had some students maybe just didn't do as well as they wanted to this past school year and failed a credit or a half credit of class here. We'll be sending out information next week about our summer school, and that'll be online through our Play-Doh program. I'd like to give a couple shout outs real quick before we end today's Tiger Talk. I'd like to give a shout out to Rob Garrett and Dustin Harris. Rob and Dustin both spent 12 hours plus here at the high school last Friday, and have also been here numerous days the last week and a half putting together our virtual graduation ceremony. So I'd like to just thank them for all their work they've put into this, and it's going to be wonderful. I've seen a couple of clips from it. They did an amazing job, so really look forward to showing that to our community, and very proud of those two individuals. So thank you. And that concludes today's Tiger Talk. I'll leave you how we started there at the high school. Everyone work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.